Hi, Mermaid Jandy here from Sirenity Mermaids. I am here to talk to you about our gorgeous silicone tails. These are made of 100% medical grade silicone, all skin safe pigments. We have a free diving leader fins monofin on the inside, which is rated the most comfortable for leisurely swimming. All of our scales are individually pigmented, so there will never be peeling or flaking of the paint. Same thing with our fluke down here. All of the paint is internal. So we make all of our designs in the mold, and it's all one solid piece. Each tail comes with a matching set of Sirenity seashells. We have 4 different styles to fit our smallest to our most busty mermaids. Custom painted and custom fitted to your size. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.